All right, what we have here today, customer jackknifed his trailer and bent this whole tongue section, and then the guts are missing out of this hitch. So we're gonna work on taking the hitch off, installing a new one, and bend this back as straight as we can get it, and then I'm gonna cross brace it across the bottom just to kind of dress it up. And then we'll spray paint our welds. Okay, we'll start out trying to do this straight with some brute force. It got bent with a pickup, so naturally it's taking quite a bit of force to bend it back. We got leverage on our side though. And I find it better, kind of like doing body work. You always want to straighten everything up you can before you cut away the structure to replace anything. If you were to cut this way and then try and straighten this, there's no telling what it'd do. And sometimes these little trailers, they get used for way more than they should. Let me get some metal, we'll get it marked, get it cut. We'll get it put in, kind of brace this, stiff back it, and then we'll work on the tongue itself. We'll get set up and we'll get that cut. Yeah, my best stale cracker voice or thoughts. Let's get it, dude. The old torch has seen a few better days. Let's go ahead and try and dry fit this in there. It'll fit pretty good. All right, we're back from that brief intermission. Doesn't quite fit. I wanted a tight squeeze, smidge too tight. Let me find a different clamp. We got that pretty well centered where we can get a tack on it. We'll get it tacked, we'll get it level. We'll make sure it's square, then we'll weld it out. Let me get the welder over here and we'll get back on. We'll get this tacked out, and then once we get it all lined up, we'll weld it out. but I want to get it intact. This clamp doesn't hold very well, and I don't have the right clamps to make it do what I want it to. I'm going to tack and manipulate and go from there. About 3 years ago, I decided to quit smoking. So I picked these up about a pack a day when I get in the shop working or stressed out. I eat about a pack a day. You know, sometimes you just need a snack. Okay, the old hitch is off. All right, we got it all cleaned up. Feels like it's about ready for the new hitch. I'm gonna grind a little more right here. We're gonna go ahead and lay the new hitch on. Mark it out, and we're gonna weld it. We'll get some measurements from here out to here, make sure they're the same. And then pretty well anywhere we're gonna weld to, we're gonna knock the paint off this hitch. We'll go ahead and get her clamped on there and get her ready to weld. Okay, they're the same. gonna put the safety chains on now. We'll put a quick coat of paint on this just to touch up where we welded at, ground at, and heated. That way it don't rust real bad. From a bent up tongue that didn't work, it's all replaced, welded in. I straightened that as much as I could. It's all been painted again. The new tongue's all welded in. Safety chains are back on. I'd say that's a wrap. We'll get with the customer and let him know he can pick it up tomorrow. It's kind of late in the day today. Thanks for watching.